If someone asked you right now, what's the state of your top 20 accounts? How confident would you feel in your answer? When did someone on your team last talk with them? What have they been buying or not buying? Have they had any quality complaints? Is there anything happening in their world right now that may change how you want to walk onto that next call? For most sales teams, this question is a bit uncertain. And the frustrating part is you have a CRM. That's exactly what it's supposed to tell you. But it only shows what your team remembered to enter. And between calls and travel and actually selling, that may not be much. This is the problem that inecta CRM is built to solve. Now, you probably already have a CRM. Your issue is keeping it up to date and organized. Every call, email, update, right now, someone has to go in and manually type that in. And nobody really wants to. And why would they? Your sales team already has all the details they need. They're carrying them around in their heads. They were on the call. They know what got said. Being asked to re-enter it into a system feels redundant at best. With inecta CRM, your sales team doesn't have to re-enter anything. The system ingests what's already happening. Emails, meetings, calls, transactions, and distills it intelligently, without losing any of those key details that might otherwise just live in one person's memory. Your people can focus on what actually matters, building better relationships with your customers, not writing reports about them. And that information stays accessible no matter what. Someone's out sick. Someone moves on. Someone wins the lottery. It doesn't matter. You should never be locked out of what's happening with your clients. But what does that mean? Well, simply put, inecta CRM is already a part of your inecta Food ERP. It doesn't need to connect to anything. It has direct access to your full transaction history. Orders, payment behavior, product mix, margin. Then we set it up to ingest all your other data sources. Emails, meeting recordings, everything flows dynamically with no manual keying, demanding time and energy away from your best people. But a database full of emails isn't a strategy. So what does inecta actually do with all of that? On a regular schedule, inecta CRM processes all of that incoming data and keeps the record current. You get a dashboard with all your key metrics: orders, AR, interaction history, pipeline state. The numbers you'd expect, but actually up to date. But the numbers only tell part of the story. This is where inecta AI agents come in. Running separately on their own cadence, they read across the accumulated data and distill that subjective layer that doesn't show up well in a report. The tone of recent conversations, that concern that a contact mentioned once or twice. The context that could change how you walk into your next call. And then there's one more piece that sets this entirely apart: external signals. Inecta CRM can be configured per client, per industry, to watch external sources for things that might be important to your accounts. A fisheries company may want storm alerts tied to accounts in a specific region. A food distributor might want supply recall flags or commodity shifts. A nutraceuticals company might want regulatory updates from the FDA or ingredient sourcing alerts when relevant to certain accounts. Each client decides what's worth watching, and inecta provides starting templates by industry to get you there faster. The result is that your account managers know their accounts holistically, from multiple perspectives. And rather than spending that time on data entry, they can focus on closing more deals. All of that comes together in what we call Customer 360. One view in inecta Home, the AI brief, health score, full interaction history, open and closed opportunities, transaction summary. Your account manager opens up one screen before a call, and that's it. So if someone asked you today about the state of your top 20 accounts, what would your answer be? With inecta CRM, that's no longer a question your team has to scramble to answer. Now, if that sounds like a problem worth solving, contact us today.